Welcome back, continuing the news. There's renewed hope this evening that COVID-19 restrictions could be loosened for the Christmas holidays. This as the Health Ministry continues to record a downward trend in new cases. But as Anthony Lugnaw reports, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa-McKenzie is warning against complacency.
It's less than 2 months before Christmas, and with COVID-19 lingering in the air, many wondered what the figures would look like leading up to the Yuletide season. Speaking at a virtual press briefing on Thursday, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa-McKenzie said there has been a downward trend in new COVID-19 cases. However, she issued this caution.
While it is that we note that we are seeing a trend down at present, we still have to remain in a position of high alert and caution as we approach what is going to be a very busy time of the year, the Christmas season.
As of November 5, the country's coronavirus case count stands at 9,426. Of that number, 4,281 are active cases. The weekly positivity rate shows a downward trajectory from over 24% to 10% over the last month. While noting the gains, Dr. Bisesa-McKenzie called for citizens to remain vigilant. She pointed to other jurisdictions that could affect what happens in Jamaica.
Or in neighboring countries, we see the numbers going up. In countries where we have persons that travel a lot to Jamaica from, that Jamaicans move freely back and forth, we see the number of cases going up. It means that there is the potential for exposure and the potential for spread. And what we see now can be quickly reversed if persons are not cautious and if they do not adhere to quarantine orders. So I'm making a special appeal to persons to stick to their quarantine orders and to be especially careful at this time.
Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, St. Thomas, Portland and Manchester are just some of the parishes which have seen gradual declines in new cases. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is particularly pleased with the progress in St. Thomas, one of the early epicenters of the virus.
While St. Thomas has seen some 400 COVID-19 cases since the pandemic's first visited Jamaica's shores in March, as at November 3rd, 4 persons have died, which is very unfortunate, and we continue to express our condolences to their family members and friends. There are currently only, however, 4 active cases in the parish of St. Thomas.
Meanwhile, the Health Ministry says parishes that have been without an active COVID-19 case are now showing increased numbers. Those areas are being monitored by the public health teams.
For example, Westmoreland, we have been seeing an increase in the number of cases in Westmoreland, and also we have to take note of what is happening in St. Anne. As I had said previously on the maps that we've had before, we're seeing a lot of activity now in the western and northwestern parishes, and so we have to pay close attention to what is happening there.
Anthony Lug, TVJ News.